In this video, I am going to show you a deep research tool that can help you gather structured information from the internet. You simply describe the data that you are willing to gather in natural language as a prompt. It goes on the web, searches for the information, gathers your information, and returns it on a spreadsheet table. So in order to test, I am going to paste in the sample prompt to help me gather company information from the S&P 500 list, which is basically the top companies in the world. It's going to come up with search criteria and the columns I'm supposed to extract, and then I'll start the scrape. And immediately it is going to start the workflow process. While the system searches and extracts data in real time, let me tell you about what is going on under the hood. Right now, it is searching the web automatically, crawling search results, navigating through different website architectures that would normally require extensive programming knowledge. You describe what you want once, and the systems adapt to each source automatically. This has numerous business applications. Market research can now be done in minutes. Competitive analysis becomes very easy and fast. You can also analyze customer sentiments for different products across multiple platforms. For example, I have tested with App Store data and the result was really good. The system isn't just reliable but also scalable as well, as you can gather a lot of data really quickly. The results becomes repeatable and error-free. No more mistakes or inconsistent formatting. Instead of having to manually gather information from different sites, you can just do so with prompts. The data extraction process does take a minute, but in a few more seconds, we are going to see the data appear on the table. So now we have the data on the table as requested. We have company name, the sector, market cap, and PE ratio. Those make up 4 columns across 50 different rows, making up a total of 200 data points across all the cells. So you can imagine how long it will take to do this process manually, gathering 200 data points, and we're only able to do it with this workflow in about 1 minute 40 seconds. In this part, I am going to import a CSV file of customer data, and then we're going to analyze it and then ask some questions about the data on the table, get to see the capabilities of the AI. So the spreadsheet is now loading on our table. You can see all the data has been populated, and yes, we can ask questions about this table, and then the AI will analyze the table and return the response to us. I'm going to pop up the side chart, and then include database as context, and then I'm going to ask my question. Let's do listing the customer ID of customers from North American countries. In this table, there's a list of countries, but there is no direct reference to which one is North American or not. So what the AI is going to do is we're going to take into context the data on the table and then return which one is from North America. So here are the customer IDs of the customers that are from the North American region. So there's a total of 8 IDs that was gotten from the table. So here's the response, and we can see the whole table here. You can also check the results. You can click on every row and you see the analysis. Click on it, and then we see the analysis in the side chart. You can also export the data in different formats. So we can export as JSON, CSV, or Excel, and it's going to export the data from the table. You can also do further enrichment on this data, but I'm going to return to my dashboard for now. There's a workspace functionality, so you can have workspaces, you can create workspaces. So here's a workspace that I have made. So you have the same tools that are available in your personal dashboard in your team workspace, and you can see activity analysis, the scripts that was done by your workspace, and then also the team members. So you can add team members, send them an invite, they can accept the invite through an email. Here is a list of the history of all the scripts that we've done. So everything is here. You can see the data, enrich it, ask questions about it, export it, and so on. So yeah.